Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to make phone number tear-offs using Microsoft Word. A lot of people ask me how to do this when they have flyers that they need to post up. So let's go ahead to Microsoft Word and I'll show you how it's done. The first thing you want to do is go into your Insert tab on top, and on the right hand side it should say Text Box, and go ahead and insert a simple text box. So in the text box you write your phone number down. Mine is 555-5555, of course. And you go ahead and highlight the phone number and increase the font size to a size that you think people will be able to read. Once you've done that, you can just resize the actual text box and hold down Control while you're rotating. You rotate it using that green ball that's on top. And then as you're rotating it, hold down you hold down Shift to make sure that it is exactly vertical. When you do that, sometimes the box will resize. Don't worry about it. Just bring it to the bottom of the page and place it where you want, and then resize it to fit again. Then when you want to duplicate it, hold down Control and just drag the box, and as you can see, the box is being duplicated over and over again, and it's latching on to the end of each box. Just continue that to the end of the page and you'll have your own flyer with phone number tear-offs. Once you print it out, just cut on every single line and you'll be done. I am Omar and I hope you enjoyed my video on how to create phone number tear-offs. Have a good day.